Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about the determiners in grammar. Determiners. As you know very well about the determiners, but let us remind about the determiners. Now see here, what are determiners? Let us know about the determiners. What are determiners? Determiner is a word used to modify a noun. It indicates reference to something specific or something of a particular type. This function is usually performed by articles. Determiner, demonstratives, possessive, determiners are quantifiers. See here, determiners. What are the determiners? A determiner is a word used to modify a noun. It indicates reference to something specific or something of a particular type. This function is usually performed by articles. By article, demonstratives, possessive determiners or quantifiers. This function is usually performed by article, number 2 demonstratives, number 3 possessive determiners or quantifiers. Now see here, determiners are followed by a noun. Determiners are followed by noun. Now see here, the man, for example, the man, this book, some people. The man, this book, some people. So these are the determiners, and these determiners are followed by a noun. These determiners are followed by noun because man it is a noun, book it is a noun, and people it is a noun. So all determiners are coming before the noun. Now see here, subject pronouns. Subject pronouns I, you, he, she, etc. And possessive pronouns mine, yours, his. These are the possessive pronouns. These are the possessive pronouns. Now here about the types of determiners. Now we are going to learn about the determiners. Types of determiners. How many types of determiners? Number 1, articles. Articles. Number 2, demonstrative determiner. Number 3, possessive determiner. Number 4, quantifiers or numerals determiner. There are 4 types of determiner: articles determiner, number 2 demonstrative determiner, number 3 possessive determiner, number 4 quantifiers determiner or numerals determiner. Now see here about the number 1, articles. About the articles, there are 2 types of articles: definite article and indefinite article. So in definite article, the is there, definite article, the, and indefinite article a and n. So a and n are the indefinite article, and definite article, the is the definite article. Number 2, demonstratives. Demonstratives determiner. Demonstrative determiner. Demonstratives, what are the demonstratives? Demonstratives means these, that, these and those. These are the demonstratives determiner. These are the demonstratives determiner. These, that, these and those. Now see here about the third one, determiner, possessives determiner. Possessives determiners. And which words coming in the possessive determiner? My, yours, his. These are the possessive determiner. Now number 4, the quantifiers or numerals determiner. So numeral determiners, there are 2 types of numeral determiner: cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals and ordinals determiner. So cardinals determiner means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, mean few, some, little, much. These words are coming in cardinals determiner, because numeral determiner there are two types of numeral determiner, cardinals. And which words come in cardinals? 1, 2, 3, 4, few, some, little, much. These are the cardinals determiner. And ordinals determiner, just first, second, third, fourth, 22nd, 31st. These are the ordinals determiner. These are the ordinals determiner in a numerals determiner. You know, numeral determiner, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal 1, 2, 3, 4, few, some, little, much. And ordinals first, second, third, fourth, 99th, 71th. So these are the ordinals determiner. Now see here, the definite and indefinite articles are all determiners. Definite and indefinite articles are all determiners. So now see here, there are two types of articles, definite article and indefinite article. The definite and indefinite article, the, and indefinite article a and n. You know what is the definite article? The is the definite article and a and n are the indefinite article. Now see here, so a, where we can use the a is usually before consonant sound. A is usually before consonant sound, and n is usually before a vowel sound. Before a vowel sound. Vowel means, so there are 5 vowels, a, e, I, o, u. So if there is a vowel sound, so in the sentence, so before the vowel sound we can use n. If there is a consonant, but the pronunciation is coming like a vowel, so you must use n. And a is usually before a consonant sound. Consonant sound means a, e, I, o, u, and rest of the a, e, I, o, u all are consonant. Now see here, for example, close the door please. Here is the article is usual because the is the definite article. So the door, close the door means this is the exact, that door should be closed. So close the door, though the is the definite article. Give me an apple, apple. So here is n is usual. So apple means a is used before a vowel. So a is a vowel, and so we are using n before vowel. Now here third one is here, I have got a friend. A is usually in this sentence a friend. So f is the consonant sound. A friend. So a is usually before a consonant sound. So this is the method to use the definite article and indefinite article. The is the definite article and a and n are the indefinite articles. So a is used before the consonant and n is usually before a vowel sound. So these are the some rules to use the definite article and indefinite articles. Let us see about the determiners. Determiners, there are 4 types of determiner: article determiner, demonstrative determiner, demonstratives, these, that, these, those, possessive determiner, mine, yours, his, and numeral determiner, cardinals and ordinals. This is about the determiners. Okay, so I hope you understood. Okay, let us stop here and then we will continue in the next video. Thank you.